you need a new windshield? Has your windshield been cracked by flying gravel or maybe a falling branch? Or worse yet, have you been in an accident and is your windshield completely shattered? When you get a chip or a crack, you must repair it right away. Delaying may rule out repair, leaving replacement as your only option. So your first call needs to be to Windshield Replacement Pros at 503-224-0064. We're Portland's 5-star premier windshield replacement and auto glass repair specialist. Don't have time to come to us? Let one of our auto glass specialists come to you. Our expert technicians use only the finest materials and the latest techniques. We also work with all major auto insurance companies. We provide guaranteed service, great prices, and will match or beat any local competitor's quote. And best of all, our work comes with a quality assurance guarantee. So call us today at 503-224-0064 for a free windshield replacement or repair quote. That's Windshield Replacement Pros at 503-224-0064, or you can visit us online at windshieldreplacementportland.org.